Did you know that the humble scissors have a history that dates back over 3,000 years? Welcome to Unboxd Origins. I'm Howie, your resident science geek and accidental trivia sponge.
And I'm Wyatt. I ask the big questions. Sometimes philosophical, often skeptical, always curious.
Today we're digging into how did the scissors become an essential crafting tool? Let's snip right into the past, shall we? Our journey begins in ancient Egypt around 1500 BC. Back then, scissors were a single piece of metal, typically bronze, bent into a U shape. These were known as spring scissors, and they operated much like tweezers by squeezing the two blades together.
Fascinating. Though I must say, I can't imagine those being very comfortable or efficient for a long crafting session.
You are, Wyatt. It wasn't until the Roman Empire that we see a significant innovation. Around 100 AD, they introduced what we now recognize as the pivoted scissors. These had a central pivot point, allowing the blades to cut with more precision and power. This design is remarkably similar to the modern pair we use today.
Ah, the Romans and their penchant for practicality. But Howie, surely there's more to this story than a simple design upgrade?
Absolutely. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and scissors became symbols of status and craftsmanship. In places like China and Japan, intricate designs were carved into the handles, and they were often given as gifts to signify precision and artistry.
Aha! There's our twist! So, scissors weren't just practical tools, they were also cultural artifacts. It seems they cut through more than just fabric.
Exactly, Wyatt. By the 18th century, when the Industrial Revolution hit, scissors were mass-produced, making them accessible to everyone. This democratization of scissors played a crucial role in crafts, tailoring, and even the burgeoning fashion industry.
So, the evolution of scissors reflects societal changes, from exclusive craftsman tools to everyday essentials.
In essence, scissors transformed from simple cutting tools to symbols of human ingenuity and cultural heritage. Their journey from the hands of ancient artisans to modern craft enthusiasts is a testament to their enduring utility.
And they remind us how a simple tool can weave itself into the very fabric of our daily lives, cutting through time and history.
If this episode cut through your curiosity, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow craft enthusiasts.
So next time you use a pair of scissors, remember, you're holding a piece of history that has shaped the world just as much as it shapes paper.